Happy Monday, everyone. This is the beginning of week 15 for Writing 213. This is our last full week of the semester. Next week is considered finals week. So this week, because we're working on multimodal projects, I'd really want you to focus your energy on reading for your research project and working on your draft. I've also included, again, detailed information for including tables and figures because you're working on really multimodal projects and should be using visual elements. Remember that every table and every figure should be referred to in your texts. So you should say, see table 1. Table 1 should have a clear caption that tells me what it's about, and you should use language to explain it to me in some way. So this is also our last peer review. If you submitted a draft to me, I have added you to a group. You can find the instructions here. This peer review group will work like all the others, but you have to remember that you're working on a multimodal project, and so you might have to send an email that has detailed feedback to give to the reader. You might even arrange through email to talk on the phone about your drafts. Do what works for your group and make sure you're clearly communicating your needs to your readers. And then finally, you'll turn in your multimodal project to me by Sunday. That's a week from yesterday. And then I'll give you one more video next week. You're going to work on a reflection for the whole class, but don't worry about that until you've finished your multimodal presentation. I will be in my office hours tomorrow and Thursday, like always. So if you have questions, that's a good time to meet with me. Otherwise, you can send me an email to find another time. I hope everyone's doing well. Work hard these last couple of weeks, and then you have a nice break ahead of you. Take care, everyone.